Plastic scrapers are recommended for scraping wax. We do two sizes. We do a 3mm and a 5mm. 5mm is bigger. Both the scrapers have a little notch on the corner for scraping wax from the edges of the ski. Wax scraping needs to be performed when the wax is cold, using a plastic scraper, working from tip to tail, nice smooth action, getting all the wax, all the excess wax off the base and edges. Don't try and get it all off in one go. Always ensure when you're scraping that you're not bending the scraper, pushing with your thumbs, supporting with your fingers. Always scrape in one direction. Tip to tail. With the little notch on the side of the scraper, you can just run that along the edge, which will clean excess wax from the edge of the ski.